Hi friends, I have a new gift from Amazon that I want to share with you, and this is this new tote bag. It's black, have these beautiful details here, and came with a strap right here, so you can put it in this one. And ready, you can use it with a strap. You can adjust your strap easy, so you can use it like a crossbody, or you can use it just with this. I think that is so functional in the both ways. So let me show you all the compartments that have this bag. In this part, have this pocket here, here, and here. Have two smaller, and this is like medium. And in the other side, have the same three pockets. You can put your pen, your cell phone, or something that you need to take so fast, and you can put it there. So inside have three different pockets too. Four pockets. We have this one that is bigger. Here you can put your books or something. Have this other pocket here that is smaller, and this can be used for your cell phone or money or something like that. And in the middle, have these two pockets that are separate by this part. So are two medium pockets for the form that have this pocket. You can put here like a bottle of water or your glass, cherry glass, something like that. And finally, have this other pocket that are bigger. So you can use this tote bag for your activities like shopping, for going to the beach, some activities outside, because you have so many space really in this bag. And it's practical, feels so resistant, and like it's black, so you can use it with any outfit. I'm putting all my things here. I have so much space. I put my things inside, guys. You can put so many things here. Look. I think that this detail is beautiful. You can close it here. Look elegant. And ready, you can use your tote. You can use it here. Or you can use it in your shoulder, or like a crossbody. And you can put so many things, all the things that you need inside. So I highly recommend it. See you.